Hello everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my traveling diaries. I haven't done this since the interrail, but this is just a travel diary of me and my good friend to Stockholm to do some thrifting, eating, shopping, and just having a nice girls trip. We had a lot of fun, so I'm super excited for you guys to see everything that we got up to. They're making something. These people. Our first and only full day in Stockholm started with admiring the old town. We really fell in love with it. After that, we wanted to visit a cat cafe, and we found this one called Java Whiskers, and it was so cute. They have 11 cats living there, or 9 cats that are all looking for a home, and it was just the most adorable thing to get to play with them and get to know them. And we both share a deep love for cats, so this was the perfect activity for us. Another thing that we had on our Excel, we literally made an Excel for this trip, was thrifting. We wanted to do some thrifting because I had a feeling that Sweden would have really nice thrifting, and we stumbled upon this thrift store called Arkivet. They have a few around the city, and they have really nice quality clothes, and everything is super well taken care of.
My glass are already broken though, so.
Okay, but do we plan this time?
I guess.
Let's do first can be like a...
Okay!
Eventually, we made our way to Beyond Retro, which also had a photo booth, which was such a fun experience. I always try to take a picture if I see one, so we actually did 2 different photo booth pictures on this trip. But this is a really nice thrift store. We actually have this also in Helsinki, Finland, and they have a lot of denim and just nicely curated vintagey things. And we also found this other thrift store pretty close to it. These were all almost on the same street, so it was really nice. I didn't find anything on this one, but after thrifting we were so hungry, and we found this really nice sushi place, and it was delicious. When we started planning our trip to Stockholm, one of our main things we wanted to do for sure was to visit Skansen, which is the world's oldest open-air museum, and the Abba Museum. You can see all different types of animals and Swedish farmhouses and kind of get the idea of living in the countryside of Sweden. This was such a sweet trip. We had so much fun. We ate really good food. I didn't film everything because I wanted to live in a moment, but I hope you got the idea. I thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.